Hi, I'm Cody Bass, and I'm going to show you how to make great connections that'll last a long time and be completely safe. So this is 2-gauge cable, and these are 2-gauge ring terminals that have a 3/8 diameter hole. Got all of this off of Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to put one on the right way. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to measure out the wire before I strip it back. So I kind of mark it with my thumb. And strip the wire back. And sometimes you have to do this twice if you don't get it just right. Check it and make sure it goes. That's about perfect right there. You don't want to ever have the wire sticking out too short like that, because that can cause the connection to come off. So you put on your heat shrink, slide on your connection, and this crimper that I got is a manual crimper that makes a gas tight weld, as they call it. So I line it up, get it straight. Need to make sure it's set to the right gauge, which I'm on number 2 right now. So I'll line it up, get it straight, make sure all of the little wires are inside the actual terminal. Hold it straight and press down and make your bond. And you can see it sets in there and it compresses on the front and the back side. So once you get your bond made, you want to check it and make sure that it's good and snug and not coming off, and your insulation is not too far back, and that's about perfect. That's where it crimped down on the back side. Slide up your heat shrink, and don't go too far with it. I like to stop right about there so you can still see the writing on the terminal. Get your heat gun. This is just a cheap $25 heat gun or so. And roll the cable while you're putting the heat onto it. You don't want to stay in one spot too long, because it can begin to actually burn the heat shrink. And when you can see the imprint from the crimp and the connector, you know you're done. All right, make sure it's good and straight, and that's it.